Hello everyone! 大家好 Miss Careen 来了
认真一点
In the previous video, I explained how to use how to ask and answer for agreement and confirmation in conversation. Today, I will explain part 3, how to use how when it translates as really or so. How as to describe the degree of an adjective and intensified verb. My name is Careen. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. If you interested in learning Mandarin and interested with my video, please subscribe my channel. I hope my videos can help you in your Chinese learning. In Conversational Chinese, how can be translated as really or so. Use it as an adverb.
Let's look at the structure.
Subject, how, adjectives. How is used to describe the degree of an adjective. 你的宝宝好可爱 Your baby is so cute. Read after me again. 你的宝宝好可爱你的宝宝 means your baby. 好 means really. 可爱 means cute.
Let's look at the next example.
我好高兴 Read again. 我好高兴 I am so happy. 我 means I. 好 means so or really. 高兴 means happy. Besides adjectives, how can be used in another way. How can also be used before certain verbs, which is related to feelings or emotions. For example, think, like, as well as some modal verbs. Example, can or will, to intensify the degree. How, when used express exclamation, mainly appears in spoken Chinese. That means conversational Chinese. Let's look at the examples when how used together with certain verbs. 我好想睡觉 Read after me again. 我好想睡觉 I really want to sleep. 我 means I. 好 means really. 想 means want. 睡觉 means sleep. Next example. 我好喜欢他 Read after me again. 我好喜欢他 means I really like her. 我 means I. 好 means really. 喜欢 means like. 他 means her or she. Let's look at next two examples, which is how used together with modal verbs. 你好能吃 Read after me again. 你好能吃 You really can eat. 你 means you. 好 means really.能 means can. 吃 means eat. Next example. 你好会享受生活 Read after me again. 你好会享受生活 You really know how to enjoy life. 你 means you. 好 means really. 会 means can. 享受 means enjoy. 生活 means life. Although 好 can use it when it translates as really together with adjectives. But bear in mind, 好 can only be used to express your own feelings, emotions, or opinions, not what you hear from others. Just like this sample. 听说他好聪明。听说 means heard. 他 means he. 好 means really. 聪明 means smart. This sentence is really not accepted because this is the feelings that you heard from the others, not you are expressing your own feelings. If you have any doubts, please do let me know your feedback and suggestions. I will try my best to help you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and most important, please subscribe my channel. Every week, I will upload a video about Mandarin. 谢谢，再见。